Hey guys, Ben Graham here. I am about to do another community interview right here in local South Chandler, heading into Greulich Automotive and Repair to talk to these guys about what their great local business right here in the heart of Arizona has to offer you. Got John, the Vice President of Greulich Automotive, to chat with you about what his auto company has to offer and why you should come be a customer here. So John, take us through what you were chatting with us earlier about being family owned and operated.
Yeah, we're a family owned and operated business, one of the largest in Arizona. Well, we're the largest automotive repair company left in Arizona that's independently owned. We have 17 Valley locations currently, and we're building 4 more, so we're growing. We have a good footprint in the Valley. We offer a 2-year, 24,000-mile nationwide warranty. We want to earn your business here at Greulich, one customer at a time.
That's awesome, John. And you were also sharing with me about your technicians. Now, they're certified technicians, correct?
Yeah, we have Master ASE certified technicians at all the locations, and they trickle down from an A tech, a B tech, so we can pretty much handle any situation on any vehicle, bumper to bumper.
All right, now we're outside in the bays. Guys are working on cars over here. I just wanted to clarify with John what an ASE technician was and why that's important to a customer.
So automotive service excellence, it breeds a better technician that's invested in his certifications and his career. They know their product lines better, they're tested on those product lines, and it just shows their dedication to the industry. We also have state-of-the-art equipment, Pro-Cut brake lathe, state-of-the-art to do the brake job right the first time, Hunter alignment equipment. We can do windshields, camera adjustments. So if you have a windshield replaced, Greulich can also adjust those cameras for you, which is required with all the new windshields and camera systems in the cars today.
That makes sense. I didn't even think about that. Okay.
Yeah, pretty cool. And we also use tablet systems to do our vehicle inspections. So everything's taken, we have photo documentation of all the repairs necessary, and we email that to every customer prior to talking to you about the repairs. So you can make an educated decision on how to spend your money. Your vehicle's your second largest investment typically in life.
When it comes to a customer shopping for a new auto shop, if they don't have one or don't have a good referral, how would they choose a great shop like yours, like Greulich?
What I recommend people do if you moved into the area, look at their Google rating. Greulich has a 4.8 on Google across the board. Make sure they have a good warranty program. We have a 2-year, 24,000-mile nationwide warranty. And then also check with the Better Business Bureau. Make sure they're in good standing with the BBB. So all these things will help you make a better decision on your choice for auto repair.
How would a customer find how to get a hold of you?
The easiest way is to go to www.greulich.com. That's GREULICHS.com, and schedule an appointment online. It's just 3 easy steps. That's the fastest way. Or you can call or just walk in. Walk-ins are welcome.
All right, guys, Ben Graham here. Thank you for joining me on another local spotlight for a local business right here, Greulich Automotive. A great place to bring your car, truck, SUV, you name it, if you need any repair done. That 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty is huge in the industry, especially with their certified technicians. You won't go wrong coming over to Greulich. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.